You may have seen my last video tutorial where I created these gorgeous Baby Milestone discs. Well, I didn't expect that I would be inundated with comments and messages asking me what I used to hold the disc while painting. I was using a nail art stand, and only because I couldn't find my suction cup holder, both of which are random items I use because I paint acrylic discs a lot and needed something to hold the discs in place so I can get a good painted edge. So unfortunately, it's not something specifically for this job, but it does work. For the nail art stand, I used some nail glue stickers to hold down the disc. You will need to change it over when it loses the stickiness. For the suction cup hooks, you just need to put the disc on top and push down. When you want to release it, put your nail under the tab to release the seal. I'll leave a link to where I got these items in the video description if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.